First word. Dirty. Dirty means ganda. Let's see one example. We should not drink dirty water. हमें गंदा पानी नहीं पीना चाहिए. Second word. Bed. Bed means bistar. Let's see one example. Sleep on bed. बिस्तर पर सो जाओ. Third word. Apart. Apart means alag. Let's see one example. India is apart from Pakistan. भारत पाकिस्तान से अलग है. Fourth word. Deer. Deer means hiran. Let's see one example. Deer runs very fast. हिरण बहुत तेज दौड़ता है. Fifth word. Right. Right means sahi. Let's see one example. You are not right. तुम सही नहीं हो. To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.